be making one of the most delicious recipes that we've made and one of our favorites. Vegan mac and cheese. Yeah! The recipe consists of so many ingredients. Just look at it. Of mac and cheese, yellow potatoes, carrots, onions.
I said onion. Boy, that's a big.
And cashews and coconut milk. Also, we have nutritional yeast flakes, lemon juice, salt, garlic powder. So we have our garlic powder, we have our salt, red cayenne pepper, and some paprika. Let's get started. So make sure you have washed your hands. And our mom has pre-diced our potatoes, this is 1/2 cup, and our carrots, which is 1/4 cup. We also have our cashews pre-soaking. They've been soaking. They have to soak for 10 to 20 minutes. We have our macaroni boiling, and our water boiling for our vegetables. So now, I'm going to finish chopping our onion.
An onion.
Make sure you always have a parent there to watch. And make sure you always crunch your hands while you're cutting your onion. Yes, because the onion can also make you very cry. We have finished chopping our onion, and now we're going to mix all of our vegetables in our bowl. Okay. So, we have our vegetables in our bowl. So now we're going to take it back here, and we strained our macaroni, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegan butter to our macaroni. And when you're done adding the butter, you add a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, so while he's doing that, I'm going to mix in our dry ingredients in one bowl. So the first thing I'm going to do is add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes. Okay, so 2 tablespoons. Next, I'm going to add 3/4 a teaspoon of salt. So 3/4 a teaspoon. Oh, I'll just do 1 tablespoon, or 1 teaspoon of salt. And we use pink salt. Okay. Next, I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, 1 pinch of cayenne pepper, but we're going to put 1/4 teaspoon also of red cayenne pepper. And 1 pinch, but 1/4 a teaspoon of paprika. Okay, so now we're going to mix all of our dry seasonings together. Okay, so now we're going to finish making the rest of our sauce. Our mom has placed the hot vegetables that were finished boiling in the water, and also 3/4 cup of that cooking water. And now I'm going to add our drained cashews. And our coconut milk. which is 1/4 cup of coconut. So we also need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice that I'm going to add in here. He's going to pour the rest of that. And she poured the vegetables in here with a slotted knife. And so also now, the last thing I'm going to add is our seasoning mix of delicious to make our cheese. Yep. So if you're wondering what this is all for, it's for the cheese. So, come right over here. So now, I'm going to turn our blender on hot soup and gonna start it up. It's all done, and make sure to be careful because it's still pretty warm, and you can go ahead and pour it in with your macaroni.
And to make sure it's just not on the top of your macaroni, you gotta
mix it in. So now we're gonna go ahead and mix this baby up.
That smells like
you're gonna make it. We're going to take it in this baking sheet. We're going to put this in here.
And this is perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any type of big feast that you're going to have.
Yes. And also, you can put your macaroni in this type of baking sheet. Put it in the oven on 350 degrees and top it with breadcrumbs for any type of special occasion like that. And also, your macaroni and cheese is done now, so you can eat it just like we are. So, this is our older brother, Calvin Alexander Spalding. He's 21-year-old and lives in Las Vegas, Nevada.
And is non-vegan.
And he is also non-vegan, so we're going to try our delicious macaroni. This is quite delicious.
I'm gonna eat this over the night. Might eat it for dinner.
How do you think?
It's actually really good.
Does it taste like the non-vegan, or does it taste about the same?
It tastes about the same.
Oh, and also we added a little extra paprika in ours because we like a little spicy. Or cayenne pepper. I'm not sure which one makes it spicy.
Okay.
So, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you'll try these, and also turn on those notifications, and we'll see you next time on 2 Vegan Kids.
For the macaroni and then water.
I couldn't even know she was here. I wouldn't even know. Like, for real, like, I'm looking forward.
I'm so glad this is so funny.
And I don't
Can
even
we
know she's
please
here. Like,
work?
I can't see her right now.
Oh my God.
Right? She's not even there.